Let's pressure test your forecasting. Would Iron Man ever say, "I feel like the missile might come from the left"? Never. His suit runs predictions, not guesses. But many companies still forecast revenue using pure gut feel. No data, no patterns, no signals, just vibes. And that's why targets are missed. AI changes everything. Salesforce, Gong, HubSpot, and moksy.ai analyze past deals, call quality, buyer behavior, and deal velocity, predicting revenue with Stark-level accuracy. Create a powerful real-time forecasting dashboard with moksy.ai. No coding, no setup, and zero cost. Transform raw sales data into clear predictions, trend insights, and revenue visibility in minutes. If you can click, you can build it. Moksy.ai does the rest. This means no more guessing. No more "I think." Only "I know." Are you ready to forecast like Iron Man? Subscribe, episode hits harder.